Welcome to Webstyle Plus. Discounts can help promote sales across your shop. So, if you have an e commerce website and you want to offer discount to your customers, you can do so easily by using coupon codes in your website. After watching this tutorial, you will be able to offer product discount in a variety of ways on your WordPress site using WooCommerce. You will be able to create and manage coupon codes in your WordPress site to offer product discounts. But before that, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I am bringing you similar content on this topic. Okay, back to the topic. First, we will have to enable coupon codes in our website. This is cart page. Right now it shows no option to use or apply coupon codes. So to enable coupon codes, from WordPress dashboard, go to settings under WooCommerce. Scroll down, check option to enable coupons. Enable the use of coupon codes. After that, click Save Changes. Reload cart page. Now we have got option to apply coupon code. So how to create coupons in website? From WordPress dashboard, under marketing, click coupons. Click create your first coupon. Here, type coupon code. You can also generate a random code. I will enter my own coupon code. In order to get the discount, customers will have to use this code. Now there are a number of ways we can offer discount by using this coupon code. Let's see how can we offer discount in percentage on total bill. To do that, from discount type, select percentage discount. Type coupon amount in percentage. It will be percentage of amount that will be reduced from total bill. After that, click publish. Now this coupon is ready to be used. To check this, let's go to our cart page. We have already added products to cart. Let's reload this page and add coupon code here and click apply coupon button. Original bill was $60. After we applied coupon, $6 were reduced from this amount, and now customer will have to pay this amount. 10% discount has been applied to total bill, and now we know how can we give percentage discount to customer. But what if we want to offer a fixed amount as a discount on total bill? For example, if a customer purchases any product, only a fixed amount should be reduced from total bill. Let's remove this coupon. To give fixed price discount, go to coupon page. I will create another coupon code. Add coupon, type coupon code. To give fixed amount discount, from discount type, select fixed cart discount. Enter coupon amount that you want to give as discount. Let's say 10. It means if customer uses this coupon code, $10 will be reduced from total bill. Click publish. Now this coupon code is ready to be used. To check that, go to cart page, reload page, apply new coupon code. $10 have been reduced from total bill. Fixed amount discount has been applied. Okay, if customer is purchasing multiple products from your store and you want to give discount on each product, how can it be done? First, let's remove this coupon. To give fixed amount discount for each product separately, go to coupon page. I will add another coupon. Name the coupon. From discount type, select fixed product discount. Type discount amount for each product. This amount will be reduced from price for each product. If customer uses this coupon code, $10 will be reduced from each product that he purchases, or $10 discount will be applied to each item in the cart. Click Publish. To check that, go to Cart, reload the page, apply new coupon code. We had two products in cart. $10 have been reduced from each product. So total $20 have been reduced from bill. So selected discount has been applied for each product. Okay, we have seen how to create coupons and give discount on products in a number of ways. Now let's customize our coupons. First, let's remove this coupon. Now let's see how can we offer discount on a minimum amount spent by customer. To do that, go back to coupon page. I will add another coupon. Type coupon code name. Select discount type. I will select percentage discount. Enter amount in percentage. I will type 10. It means if customer uses this coupon code, 10% will be reduced from bill amount. To apply condition, go to usage restriction. In minimum spent, type minimum amount that is required for this coupon code to work. Let's use 200. It means if bill is $200 minimum, then this coupon code will work. Click Publish. Let's apply this coupon code. Reload cart page. Right now, two products are in cart and bill is $60. Let's apply this coupon. So coupon didn't work. It gave error. The minimum spend for this coupon is $200. Let's increase product quantity. 5. Update cart. Now bill amount is $220. Let's apply coupon code. And this time, coupon code applied successfully. 10% have been reduced from bill. So when we increased product quantity to make bill equal or greater than $200, then coupon code worked. So this is how we can restrict coupon to a minimum required bill amount. It's kind of a gift for the customer who is spending more than certain amount. Let's remove coupon code. Similarly, we can allow any coupon to limited products. We can choose products that a coupon will work for. Let's apply coupon to this product only. Copy name of the product and I will remove this product from cart. Now let's edit same coupon code from usage restrictions. In products area, type product name. Select the product. We can also add more products here. Now this coupon code should work for this product only. Update coupon code. To check this, go to cart, reload page, apply coupon code, and it says this coupon is not applicable to selected products. Let's remove this product. Go to shop. Add this product to cart. Go to cart. Apply coupon code. Minimum spend for this coupon is 200. Let's increase quantity. Update cart. Now bill is more than $200. Let's apply coupon code. And this time it worked. So now that coupon code is restricted to this product only. If we add this product in cart and then apply coupon, it will work. Remove applied coupon. Go to shop. Add more products. Reload cart. Now we have got two products in cart. Apply coupon, and coupon code was applied because the required product was available in cart. So from usage restriction, if we add products in this area, then this coupon code will work if products listed in this area are available in cart. Otherwise, coupon code will not work. Let's remove applied coupon code again. There are more usage restrictions that can be applied. For any coupon, we can apply restrictions. We can restrict coupon by amount spent, by certain products, by product categories, and more. We can exclude products, we can include products, we can include product categories, we can exclude categories, and we can also allow this coupon for certain email addresses. For example, if we have a loyal customer or a high profile customer and we want to offer him discount whenever he purchases a product, we can add his email address here. Multiple email addresses can be added separated by a comma. So now when that customer uses that billing email address, discount will be applied and this coupon code will work for his email address. We can also limit a coupon usage based on multiple factors. To do that, click at usage limits. Usage limit per coupon. From here, use usage limit per coupon to limit number of times this coupon should work. You can type 1, 2, 3 or desired number to limit coupon. It applies to all customers. Let's say if we type 1 here and update, then this coupon will work only once. After that, it will expire. Next is limit usage to X items. It controls how many items the coupon can be applied to before being invalid. This field is only displayed if there is one or more products that the coupon can be used with and is configured under usage restrictions. Next is usage limit per user. It controls how many times a coupon can be used by each customer before being invalid for that customer. So if we type 2 here, any single customer can use this coupon code only twice. So how to make coupon expire after a certain period of time? We have looked into how can we create coupons and how can we customize coupons by applying restrictions and limits. But there is another way to restrict a coupon. From General tab, in Coupon Expiry Date, we can set an expiry date for this coupon. If we set expiry date for the coupon, after that time, coupon will expire and will not work. Alright, how do coupons affect tax and shipping calculations? Coupons are applied to product price before tax is calculated, and coupons applied to individual products or the items in the cart. Shipping rates are not cart items, so coupon discount will not be applied to shipping. Okay, how to display discount notification in website? When we create coupons, customers don't know which coupons are available. Site owner has to notify customers about coupons codes that are available before they can be used. To do that, you can create any call to action area site wide and mention coupon codes there, or use any top bar plugin to display that coupon code. For example, go to plugins, add new, search for top bar. Let's use this plugin. Install and activate. Go to top bar, go to its settings, status activated, select position, type notification message, 10% discount is available for all purchases. Coupon code WSP1. HTML tags are allowed. Enable button, type button text, shop now, enter shop URL, Select notification bar color, background color, and click Save Changes. Reload site, and now we have got this top bar notification, and it is site wide. Maybe we should use 10% discount available on our purchases. Reload. This is better now. So this is our site-wide coupon code notification. And this is how we can offer discount to customers in a number of different ways. Customize coupon and add site-wide coupon code notifications easily. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.